In this video lesson, you'll discover what a variegated wash is and how to apply this wash method when creating watercolor paintings.
To explain the variegated wash, I will use 3 examples from the Watercolor Academy course. In the first example, I will show you how I used a variegated wash when making this still life painting. The name of this painting method, variegated wash, implies that several colors are used in this wash. First of all, I have to decide which colors to use. In this particular artwork, there were only 3 colors. Before deciding on which colors to use for the wash, it is a good idea to test different color combinations and to see how they look together. After you have decided on which colors to use, the next step is to pre-mix the chosen pigments. It is better to prepare more paint than you think you need, rather than run out of mixed pigments in the middle of the job. I apply the mix using a round, soft brush from Escoda. This mop brush absorbs a lot of liquid and releases it onto the paper surface nicely.